लर्न टू पुट योर आइडियाज इनटू वर्ड्स वाले जो वीडियो सेशंस है उनमें से एक है। आपने सेंटेंसेस को फ्रेम करना सीख लिया है, किस शब्द के बाद कौन सा शब्द लगाते हैं, उसका क्या अर्थ होता है, इस बारे में हम लोगों ने थोड़ी बात कर ली है। इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग में एक्सपर्ट होने के लिए सेंटेंसेस की फ्रेमिंग सीखने के जो बाद का स्टेप है वो है गाइडेड स्पीकिंग। आप पहले सोचते हैं, फिर प्रिपेयर करते हैं और उसके बाद आप बोलते हैं। आप अभी उस स्टेज में है। इस वीडियो सेशन में जो टेक्स्ट है वो पढ़िए और जो ऑडियो है वो ध्यान से सुनिए। आपके समझने की सहूलियत के लिए ऑडियो की स्पीड कम है। बहुत छोटा सा वीडियो सेशन है, 6 मिनट 30 सेकंड का वीडियो सेशन है। ये वीडियो कई बार देखिए। You understand English language. You can frame sentences. You can speak one or two sentences. You are not habitual. Your family members or your neighbors do not speak English. In shops, people do not speak English. You buy a newspaper of Hindi language. You watch Hindi news channels. English is a foreign language for you. English is a second language for you. You think your main problem is grammar or vocabulary. It is not true. Grammar is easy. Your vocabulary is not bad. You do not think in English. That is the real problem. You have not tried. You should take action now. You should try. You should start with small sentences. Mistakes are natural. You can't learn anything without making mistakes. Nobody can become expert in one day. It is a step-by-step process. You can watch English videos on YouTube. There are many videos. Some videos are related to science, sports, and politics. Some videos are related to movies, cooking, and fashion. You can choose any video. Just listen. You will surely understand. If you don't like one video, you can go to a second video. There is no problem. There are magazines, storybooks, newspapers, blogs. You have many options. You need English language for growth, for higher positions, for deeper knowledge, for bigger business, and for latest technology. A professional teacher can guide you. The teacher will find your mistakes and show you the correct method. You should follow teacher's instructions. Many people know the rules, but they do not practice. This is the speed breaker. You should make sentences on your notebook or in your mind. Learn basic rules. Prepare sentences. Speak those sentences. Repeat this activity. Talk to yourself in English. If there are mistakes, return to basics. Look at the basic rules again. Use new words again and again till you become expert in it.